Today, I'm going to show you how I got such a nice finish using $60 worth of willow green from Rust-Oleum. Let's go ahead and get started. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be painting this car that I had previously painted on this channel. Some of you probably remember. I painted it Strawberry Fields Red from Rust-Oleum 2X. It turned out pretty good, but it started reacting to paints that were underneath that paint job because I didn't put a primer down, so it's really my fault in the end that the paint job got screwed up. So we went back to the drawing board. Me and my son went out there and started sanding the car down, but ended up taking way too long to dry sand the car, so I had decided to just go ahead and wet sand it, wet sand all the imperfections out, and then we could prime the car. The method I'll be using in this video will be a longer process, but the results come out so much better when you do it this way, but it's not required to do it this way. So I went ahead and took all the fenders, bumpers, and all that good stuff off. We primed it and painted it, and I have all the videos for you, so I'm going to go ahead and shut up. But I'm going to go ahead and speed these videos up, put some royalty-free, copyright-free music on it. The music may not be the best, but it is what it is, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and shut up, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. All right, so we got it back together last night. Just let it cure. Everything's dry, and I pushed it outside in the sun so you guys could see what it looks like in the direct sunlight, and it actually looks pretty good. It has a really nice gloss to it. Even here in the garage, it has a pretty decent reflection. Now there's no 2K over this, there's no clear, and it still has a really deep gloss, and as you can see, it's dry. But this new advanced formula from Rust-Oleum, it is really good stuff. It's very durable. And no, I am not sponsored by Rust-Oleum to say this. I'm just telling you from an honest person who loves their product that it works great. And don't mind the smudge I got there. But yeah, it looks really good, and it lasts a long time even without the clear. And this is perfectly fine for me since it is a drag car. It doesn't have to have a flawless paint job, you know. I mean, it could be damaged whenever we're hauling it or whatever, so I don't want to spend a lot of money on a really expensive paint job, and this one was really, really cheap. We spent $30 or $29.89, so I'll just round up to 30 for you guys. Spent $30 on the paint. We got 7 cans. You can buy this directly from Home Depot on their website. The Willow Green comes in a 6-pack for $25, but then I bought an extra can in the store. I don't think you can buy them individually online, just 1 can. So I had to buy that in Home Depot store. But that's 7 cans. I recommend if you're gonna do this and it's your first time painting, get more than 7 cans because I laid them on thick and it was just barely enough. But this hood has 2 really good thick coats. Now when you're laying it thick, you gotta be careful of runs because they can happen very easily. But the laying it thick is how I get it so glossy and smooth. I just make the whole panel wet. I don't know if that makes sense, but if you watch the video again, you'll see how I lay it. Also, yes, it does have dents and imperfections. Like I said, it's a drag car. I don't want to put Bondo on this car and make it heavier. This is turboed and it's going to be going on the drag strip. The door jambs do still need done, which I'll do. Not a big deal. It's really easy to do. You can plastic this up and just shoot the jambs, pull all the plastics off, pull the door panel off. Shoot it with it on the car or pull it off and paint it. Either way it works. We got the racing seats in here. The interior will be coming out since it is going to be a drag car. But for right now I just have the full interior in. But we'll be painting the inside of the floor as well and everything else. But it looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. I did make sure to use the 2-in-1 filler and sandable primer. I got these at Walmart for $5 a can. If you go to AutoZone, they're $9.99 a can. So I recommend going to Walmart for them. They're way cheaper at Walmart. And the 2-in-1 is the best. It's a real high build and it dries pretty quick. And then you can wet sand it and then apply the coat over the top of it and it turns out real smooth and nice. But yeah, I just wanted to get you guys this video out. Let me know what you guys think of it. Green is my favorite color. A lot of you guys probably liked the red. I liked the red too. If it wasn't for the imperfections, I would have kept it. But it doesn't have to be perfect for this anyways. I just wanted it to look a little nicer. And green's my favorite color, so that's why I went with the green. But yeah, link will be in the description for the Home Depot link for the Willow Green for this exact stuff right here. So if you guys are interested in this exact color, that's where you can get it. I haven't found it cheaper than Home Depot. They're pretty much the cheapest. Also, this back windshield is shattered. It's been like this since I got it. But I taped it up anyways just because, but it will be getting replaced in case anyone was wondering. But right now, as this car sits, it's great. It could be wet sanded with, say, 1000 grit and then 2K cleared over it with either Speedo Coats 2K clear out of the spray gun, or you could go with the Spray Max 2K clear and it would have an even deeper gloss. But like I said, it's not a perfect car. It's dinged up, but it's mainly made for speed. So I also recently took this to the track. If you guys want to see this supercharged daily at the track, definitely check out my other channel. Link will be in the description. Go subscribe to Texas Honda channel. But we'll go ahead and get off here. Made this video long enough, so I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like videos like this, check out my playlist and subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you in the next one. Till then, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.